Maize farming is a business. Either you are doing it under rain-fed, as you can see, ours is under rain-fed, even the weather itself can tell you. Either you are doing it under irrigation. It's a good business. And like I've always been telling you, you can approach these three businesses and they're going to give you good money. You can do maize for grains, you can do maize for silage, you can do maize for green maize, or you can do different variety that gives you baby corn, or that gives you sweet corn. Those are different varieties. But in my case, the variety that I'm doing, you can only approach it in three ways: silage, green maize, or grains. In our case, we are looking forward for the green maize. That's the big business that we're on. But for you to achieve that, for you to be able to reach to the point where you have the best product in the market, what do you need? And these are the basics. This is what will give you whatever you see here. This is not magic. This is not, it hasn't happened because I'm an agronomist, because I'm a special farmer. It has happened because of the strategy. And the strategy is very, very simple. One, you need premium varieties. You need to go for the best seed varieties. Don't compromise on that. Secondly, you need best nutrition for your maize. Last but not least, your maize needs enough water, either rainfall or irrigation. You need enough water. And I can assure you, you are going to get this. And to top that up, you need a clean maize field. Either you are doing a manual weeding, you are doing tractor, you are using a weed killer like me. That's what you need for you to succeed, or for you to get the best maize, or to grow the best of the best in the market. This has not yet grown yet. As you can see, it hasn't grown, but we are in a stage where we are confidently sure that it's going to give us the best maize crop. It's going to give us the quality. It's going to give us one of the best in the market, because you can see the size of everything, the size, the length, and the color tells it all. That's why they usually say, whatever you feed grows. Hope you've learned something from today's tips on maize farming. More and more classes to come. Best of the best. I've already shared enough, from planting to top dressing, to use of weed killers, to different fertilizers, which is on this YouTube channel. You can watch and learn and be the best farmer. Bye.